going on a little ride today. I have to check some things out. And I thought, let me bring you guys with me. Because, yeah, there are some big things gonna happen later this year. And I want to share that with you guys. So we started this route at my work. Once again there was an alarm, but there was nothing to find. I think the gardener came too close to the back door and there's a vibration alarm on it. So I think that that triggered the alarm. But that was also the place I wanted to start my route, so it worked out well. It's been some weeks since the last time I sat on my bike. Mainly because we were busy with other things I will clarify a little later in this video. You guys going to the next night. Not us, at least, not on this side. Some nice houses here in our side. There are some for sale. I don't think I can afford the house here. What a nice day to ride. So the purpose for this video, it's some bad news and some good news. The good news is why we are driving this route right now. Unfortunately, the bad news is I'm not going to Norway this year. It was planned for the end of August, 2 weeks. Unfortunately, that is not gonna happen. There are simply priorities that are a little bit bigger than going on holiday later this year. So yeah, I have to put that one in the fridge, and hopefully next year we're gonna attempt that journey. I think that will be doable. So I can hear you guys thinking, why aren't you going? Well, the reason is quite simple. I found another house, so I am moving, and if all goes well, it's gonna be at the end of August. So in the weeks I did got Norway planned, and now gonna be moving. So what I'm doing now is testing some routes from my work back home, because it's a little bit farther away from my workplace than I would have loved. But once we've got the key, and I will show you guys the home, it will all make sense. So yeah, moving. I had mentioned it a few times earlier in some of my videos that I was looking around, trying to find something a little bit bigger. I now live in apartment in Utrecht. And yeah, well, the location is pretty nice. It's just getting too small with all of my hobbies that take in quite some room. Yeah, it was really time to find something bigger, and something bigger I did find. For now, the route towards the place is quite okay. Only that little bit just now through the town. I have to see if I can get around that. There is another option. It's on the other side of the back that involves getting a ferry every day. So I'm gonna try that one out. Also, when it's weather like this, I don't mind driving this every day. But when fall and the winter comes, we'll have to see what we'll do. But yeah, one of the reasons I haven't been riding that much is because all the preparation, trying to manage everything for buying this house, selling my own apartment. Yeah, it's been some hectic weeks, but it looks like there is light at the end of the tunnel. Because all the things for the new house, all the bank related stuff, seems to be going along quite well. Earlier this week I had my apartment checked. It's important here to have a label, energy label, and when you're selling your apartment or your house. And mine was from 2012 when I bought it. So yeah, we did need a new one. But that's all done now. It's all in the hands now of a real estate broker who's gonna sell my apartment. So hopefully my house will be on the market this weekend, early next week. And with how the market is these days, I don't think it will take very long before we find some buyers. Then yeah, let's hope for a good selling price. So we can not only move but also do some stuff. Because while the living area of the new place is quite okay, only needs a little bit of paint. Yeah, the other area it's okay too, but I want to make it my own. So that's gonna take some time slash money. So every little bit of extra money What's your way? In this facility I will be living later this year.
Hi guys, Hagi here while editing. Well, I did film the trip back home over the highway. It took me around 30 minutes. There wasn't much to see. So I will be ending this video right here. The week after this video will go online. I will be moving, so don't expect any new videos soon. You can follow my Instagram, link is down in the description, where I will be posting some progress of the house. For now I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I appreciate it a lot if you will. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.